Hey everybody, it's Jill from glimmerbug.com, and today I wanted to do a little kind of a show and share thing that I've been busy working on for one of my art groups on Facebook. We decided that it would be fun to do a little matchbook kind of a swap. I've never done one, so I thought, well, I'll try it out and I'll see what I come up with. And I found a not a tutorial, but a template online for the little matchboxes, and they're a cute little size. I mean, you can see they fit right in my hand. And I had a ball putting them all together and using up a little bit of my stash here and there to make them all different. So I had to make, the swap is to make 3 of them. So this was my test piece that I wanted to try out and see measurements and how it would all go together. Since I'd never made one before, I didn't want to actually screw up the important ones that I was going to send out to my girlfriends. So anyhow, this is what it came out looking like, and I used this vintage piece of wallpaper. It's like that felt kind of wallpaper that one of my other art girlfriends sent me. So I went through my stash and I just kind of used up little bits and bobs of what I had on there. And then the other part of the swap was, so you had to make these matchbooks, and then you had to put little pieces of art inside. So I'll show you what I did for that. So what I did was I made little pockets that fit into the little flappy thingy, and then I created little pieces of art to go on the inside, and I just signed them with the name of the swap, so that, you know, they're kind of cute little, almost portfolio pieces kind of a thing. And some of them are 3D, like the little butterfly, and I used some rubber stamps that I had gotten, or that I don't remember where I got them or who sent them to me, but one of my friends had sent them when we were doing like a de-stash project, and she had sent me the butterfly, so I kind of went with the butterfly theme for that one. So this one was my, like I said, my kind of my template, my guide on how to make it, and then the rest of these 3 are the important ones that are going to go off to my girlfriend. So I just want to share with you what each one looks like, and I just used pieces that I had in my my paper stash, and cut them up, added little bits of glitter, used brads right here to hold them together through the back side, and then added my little pockets in the center here, and then used these kind of fun little watercolors, because I had gotten a new watercolor set, so I wanted to test out the colors, and I had these backgrounds that I had jelly printed or jelly plated. Well, I guess it was over Christmas break, so I wanted to kind of use those up. So I thought, well, that's a good little mixed media piece. And then I found these really sweet little positive words and that kind of thing that I'm working on another project for. But I thought that's kind of cute. And the little thing says, "Dream without fear, love without limits." So that's kind of a cute little thing. Okay, as an aside, can you hear my dog snoring? I have 3 pugs and 1 bulldog, an English bulldog, and it's their nap time right now, and they sleep in my studio right next to my desk over there. And all I can hear, I tried to wake them up before I did this video, because I said, people are going to listen to my dog snoring and they're going to think I'm crazy. But yes, there are 3 pugs, 2 black ones and a tan one, and then a little English bulldog who just turned 2 a couple weeks ago. So when you hear snoring on my videos, those are the culprits. So anyway, back to what I was saying. So this one is, I got this really cute die cut die set my husband got me for Christmas, a little, like a winter village. So I wanted to test it out, and that's really pretty, I thought. And then some more hearts, because we're sending these out the 1st of February for Valentine's Day. So that's why I kind of wanted to include some little heart themed art pieces on the insides of these. And last but not least, this one is, "Whatever you are, be a good one." And I totally believe that. If you're going to be, whatever you're going to do for fun or whatever you're going to do for your job, it doesn't matter what you do as long as you do it well. Try your hardest. So another heart, another cute little house, and oops, and the rest of my little die-cut village on the back of my jelly print. I watched a video from, it was Kate Crane. I love her, and she does such fabulous things with jelly press and jelly print things. So I used her as an inspiration to do those backgrounds, because I'm not really that great at it, but I want to practice, and she really does a beautiful job on all of her gel press, gel plate things. So she was my motivation behind that. So these are my little matchbook art pieces that I did, and they're going to get ready to get shipped off tomorrow. One's going to Florida, one's going to South Carolina, one's going to, where is it going to? Minnesota. So I got to figure out who's going to get what and send them off to my art girls. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to share today. And I don't know if anybody would want a tutorial on how to do these. I'm thinking maybe I would do a little tutorial. But if you watch this and you're intrigued and you want to maybe give it a try and you'd like me to do a tutorial, drop me a line on the little comment section and I'd be happy to put one together. All right, so that's it from me for now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment to let me know that you were here, or if you have any questions or just wanted to say hi. And that's it. So happy February, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.